In the last tutorial we saw how to use print function, and in this tutorial I am going to discuss what is variable and types. When we make programs, usually we need to store data in computer memory and perform operations on data. Let's see how we can store data in computer's memory. Suppose I want to store 100 in computer's memory. To do this, I will write a is equal to 100. When I pressed enter, what happened behind the scene? 100 is stored somewhere in computer's memory and be referenced by a. So I can say a variable is a name that represents a value stored in computer's memory. So I can say a is variable and 100 is value. Now I am creating one more variable b and storing 20 in it. Data stored in variable can be referenced later in the program. If I want to access what is stored in a, I can do this. See, if I write print a, it is showing me 100, and if I write print b, it is showing 20. Like numbers, you can also store text value in a variable. I am creating a variable color and I am storing green in it. If you want to display the value stored in a variable along with some constant value, you can write the print statement. You can create more than one variable in a single statement. Here orange is referenced by X, banana is referenced by Y, and apple is referenced by Z. To check this, you can write the print statement. Print X orange, print Z, it is apple, print Y banana. If you want to create more than one variables but the value stored in them is same, you can do this by writing a statement like this. Now 3 variables stored the same data. You can check it by using print statement. Data stored in variables can be used to perform in programs. So if I write the statement like this, a plus b, it will display 120. Now I am creating a program that store length and width of a rectangle and display the area of that. To make this program, I am opening the editor window. Here length and width are assigned with constant value, and area is assigned by an expression multiplication of length into width. When you run the program, it will show the result. Area of rectangle is 72.